What's the meaning of BNFL? BNFL. BNFL.
BNFL. BNFL. BNFL stands for British Nuclear Fuels Limited, a company that was once a major player in the UK's nuclear industry. BNFL's primary business was the production, processing and disposal of nuclear materials, including uranium enrichment, fuel fabrication, and waste management. However, the company has since undergone significant restructuring and no longer exists in its previous form. Today, many of the former BNFL businesses are part of other companies, such as Urenco and Sellafield Limited. While BNFL was involved in several controversial incidents related to nuclear safety and environmental concerns throughout its history, its legacy continues to have an impact on the industry and society as a whole.